everybody, Dr. Hill here at Advanced Animal Care Berea, and today we're going to talk about what all is involved with cat preventative health care.
All right, Dr. Hill, what does cat preventative care mean?
So it just means that everything that you're doing to provide your cat with a long, healthy life, and that ranges from the food that you feed your cat to housing and enrichment. Dwight got a little excited there. To bringing them to the vet every year when they're older or when they're this size, every couple of weeks to get their kitten booster series, but just getting those annual checkups and following the recommendations of your veterinarian and keeping them up to date on preventatives, against fleas and ticks, ear mites and intestinal parasites. So there's a whole lot that goes into it.
So what will my veterinarian do during a cat preventative care appointment?
Yeah, so a lot of times we like to start with exams, and so like on Mr. Dwight here, I like to look at their eyes, I like to look at their ears, I like to open up and look in their mouths, make sure that their teeth look healthy, that their gums look healthy, that we're not seeing any concerns, and then we kind of just work our way through the body from the tip of their nose all the way to the tip of their tail and just look at every single little body part, their legs, their belly, all of that good stuff. And then as these guys get older, a lot of times we'll recommend, maybe some wellness blood work to just make sure that we're not seeing things like kidney disease or liver disease, or maybe things like an overactive thyroid or diabetes, things like that, to rule those kind of common older cat diseases out.
So what can I do at home for cat preventative care?
Yeah, so the biggest thing that you can do at home is making sure that your cat has a good diet. Your veterinarian is going to be the best one to give you advice on that for your cat. But good nutrition is really important for these guys, as well as, good enrichment, making sure that they have areas to play and toys to play with, making sure that maybe you have a cat tree or a place where they can kind of perch or look outside and, watch birds outside through the window, and that, they've got a good cozy place to sleep, and that they have plenty of litter boxes with a type of litter that they like to use where they can feel comfortable to go to the bathroom. And then the other thing that we can do at home, yes, big yawns, is keep them up on things like flea and tick prevention. And a lot of those also do ear mites, some do intestinal parasite prevention as well. As some cats get older, I really like to be proactive about their dental health. And so we carry these little dental treats here that work really, really great for cats to work on that dental tartar and to help with their fresh breath. And those are just some things that you guys can do at home to help these guys out.
So would you say cat preventative care is optional?
No, I would definitely say it's not optional. It's really something that we need to do for every pet that we have, whether it be a dog or a cat, or maybe you have some pocket pets or a ferret. But the wonderful thing for these guys is, I know cost is a big thing with a lot of owners. Sometimes finances are a little tight, but everybody loves having a snuggly little kitten like this. And we carry pet insurance, or we work with this pet insurance provider called Pumpkin. And the thing that I love about Pumpkin is that they have, preventative care packages. So they have insurance programs that help with those annual wellness visits and maybe that wellness blood work. And they have a lot of options that can help owners out with all of this preventative care management when it comes to the vet.
All right, thank you.
You're so welcome.